Gracie. Today I'm back again with another YouTube video. I just want to put a little disclaimer out there. I lost my voice, like really bad, obviously. My voice is actually a lot louder and more obnoxious than this, so maybe we should keep it this way. I don't really know, but I really want my voice back because it sounds deep right now. Like, I do not like it. But anyway, today we are going to do a little taking it backwards. We're going to recreate some of my old Musical.lys. The app now is TikTok, you probably know that. But I actually use TikTok a lot. Like, I use it on the daily. But I scrolled down because there's my TikTok account. And I scrolled down to my Musical.ly days and I was like, oh my god, this is so bad. Let's recreate these. Oh my god! Oh. Do this. I don't want to do this. Oh my god! You're ugly. Oh, I dabbed. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna recreate that. I don't want to. So dramatic. Okay, so should I do it in the exact same spot that I did it in? Yeah, let's do that. I'll be back. So this is the window right here. Put it in and then I just, you can see my zebra wall. But we're just gonna lean her right here and yeah. This is gonna be exciting.
Your daddy son, yo. First I hear the beat, then I kill my step. Hit on with no hips, slide to the left.
Alright guys, so I filmed it and I even got the hat on, a different hat, it's my Nike hat. And I got the black and white filter. It's so bad. I already forgot like the dance, but we tried. Alright, so now that that fiasco is over with, we're gonna find another one. So we're gonna scroll back down because like when it popped up to the top, my voice just cracked. Okay. Anyway, oh, I want to see this one. 137 likes. I got more likes then than I get now. It's not loading, but ew, look at that gap. So next one, cold as. So we're gonna do this one, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duet myself because you get my gist. Okay. Shit, this is gonna be awkward. I don't even know how I moved the camera like that. Alright, that's bad, but you can tell I'm totally not into it as much anymore because I'm like, and I used to be like, you know what I mean? Oh, goody goody. Oh my gosh, you gotta scroll back down. See, these are like my newer ones, like. I have like just like stupid ones, but like I used to get like really into it. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go down to my these days Musical.ly star. Ew, I look like a biatch in this one. Oh god, I'm like this. I'm like, ew, what am I doing? Also, my voice is cracking. Come on, please. Load! I remember this song. Okay, wait, how do I do this? I was good. This one's good. There's no way I'll be able to remember this. When the bands keep. Oh, and I have my Weston Corey shirt on. Oh, that's so cute. I still love Weston Corey, but he's like doesn't post really much anymore. It's okay though. Alright, so we're gonna do it this one. Goodness gracious, Gracie, you have lost your mind. Okay. Ew, I'm like, I look mean.
talkie like. I ain't even trying to talk, cause my jaw keep blocking. She ain't trying to be a freak, but the bands keep out. Still caught up in the streets.
Oh god, that was horrible. I can't musically anymore. I can't do it. I can only TikTok. Oh guys, look. I'm redoing that. You know, I think I had it sped up, so we're gonna speed her up. Okay, ready? We're gonna do part 2. Oh, that one was much better. I literally tried to look like mean. I tried to have an RBF the whole time. I was like, because that's what I did. Whoa, transitions. I remember that. Wait. Okay, wait. I can do this one. I remember this one. So you first gotta go normal, then quickity quick, and then you gotta, yeah. Okay, wait. Shoot, I gotta duet that, don't I? Okay, wait, so I was like... Oh shoot, I did it wrong. Crap, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I just tried to look cute at the end, I don't know. Ew, I'm horrible. Dude, I think I was better last time. I was uglier, but I was better at this. Maybe if I had a cute filter on it. Honestly, scrolling back down, scrolling back down, scrolling. Oh, guys, follow me on TikTok, Grace2013. You can watch all these embarrassing old and new videos of me. Which one should we do? Ew, look at that acne I had. It was a little.
Honestly, you mean the world to me.
That hurt my throat. I lost my voice. Why did I do that? Dude, I want to do this one, actually.
She shot me one time. She shot me 2 times. Bang, bang, bang. She shot me again, but she's gonna be mine. Who can say bang? She shot me one time.
Oh, transition.
She shot me 2 times. Bang, bang.
This is like when I got better at this song game. I remember this was my favorite musically I made. Dude, we're just gonna dive in. We're just gonna dive in. I'm excited.
She's gonna be mine. Who can say bang? She shot me one time. Bang, she shot me 2 times. Bang, bang, bang. She shot me again, but she's gonna be bang. She shot me one
Okay.
time.
Let's go! I'm turning this down because I'm annoyed. I'm waiting for this to load. Okay. Alright.
She shot me one time. Bang, she shot me 2 times. Bang, bang, bang. She shot me again, but she's gonna be mine. Who can say?
Crap, okay, this transition. I remember you like take the phone and you like twist, right?
She shot me one time. Bang, she shot me 2 times. Bang, 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 bang. She shot me again, but she's gonna be.
Oh, that was fun.
One time. Bang, she shot me 2 times. Bang, bang, bang. She shot me again, but she's gonna be mine. Who can say bang? She shot me one time. Bang, she shot me 2 times. Bang, bang, bang. She shot me again, but she's gonna be. Bang, she shot me.
Alright, not bad, not bad. That was like my better stages of... That was like my better stages. I had like stages, so I was like... Well, I remember my beginner. Dude, when I first started TikTok, and I deleted those videos. Oh, no, I didn't. There's more. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, my God. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Wait, I didn't know there was more. Oh, my Becky. Oh, my God, Emily. Oh, my gosh. This is so old. Wait, is there more? There's more. I forgot I was really into this. Oh, this is going to be embarrassing. I already know. All right. So... Okay, I already know what song this is. 679, Remy Boys. Fetty Wap or whatever his name is, guys. And I had 45 likes. I don't even get that much on my TikToks anymore. Come on. one. Load, 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 load. This is just bad. Here's another one.
I don't see how you can hate
So, recycling.
You can't even get in. Leg out.
Ooh, I went, ha ha, go, Lego.
I don't see how
Yo,
you can hate
bottle G, yo, bottle sipping.
You can't even get in.
Ew, what, an editor is trying hard to obtain copyright? Does that mean I can't do anything to that one? Who copyrights on TikTok or Musically or whatever? That's ridiculous. Audio track has been temporarily. Oh my god, did all the songs? This is like my childhood ruined. Oh, we gotta do this one. I thought this one was so cool. I thought it was so cool from this one. Look at that, we gotta go. And the lighting's so bad. Let's do it, this thing. Okay. Okay, so this one's fast. Ew, I did that wrong. I can say I had a glow up camera-wise, lighting-wise, face-wise, hair-wise. Alright, that one's just rough. What's on my arm? Here goes sometimes. Watch my mouth. I know sometimes. It's a cute song though. It is confusing, girl. You have no idea. You have no idea, Gracie from the past. Let's do it, this thing. That was hard. Here, wait, I need to redo that. I need to speed it up, don't I? It's hard to do this. You can see me mess up, but I'm like, the reason I got this idea was because I actually posted one of these, look. This was today. But you can tell I gave up at the end, look. I'm like, okay. If you guys want to watch that, you can check out my TikTok. Let's see, let's do one of my newer old ones. Like, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Not that one. Post Malone, that's what's good. I remember thinking I was so cute in this one. Like, this was, ew, wait, I just paused me going like this. Okay, I like this song still. Okay, got it. Let's duet this thing. I hate myself for that, but like, let's do this thing. Let's duet this thing. You see what I'm doing? Okay, so, I just had to go through 4 different SD cards. Okay, let's say real guys, is it even a Gracie video if something doesn't go wrong? I swear, like, there's always something going wrong in every single one of my videos. So, I mean, like, I expected this to happen where I would just have a whole clump of footage gone. So, sorry about that, but let's just continue with the video. We did that Post Malone TikTok, and now we're gonna watch it, hopefully, unless this runs out of storage again. No, I made sure this time, so, okay. That before the switch was really, like, I'm trying to match him up. And that one before that matching was like still the same. And that part, like I matched pretty well. My transitions aren't as good as they used to be. I was a queen. Ew. Why did I do that? Let's do one more. I don't know which one yet. This one looks promising. Never mind, that's way too much work. See, look at all the time I put into this. These hashtags are random. Share a Coke, duet with Selena Gomez, hopeful, feature me, DYNS, 15-second workout. You bet. We're doing this one. Okay. Dude, literally, like, see the difference between back then? Back then I was just jamming out, trying to make them work. And the one I'm doing today, I was literally just trying to match the whole time. I was trying to match. If I were to make one now, it would look like this. Well, I don't even know. I'm not planning it out. I'm just going to do, like, whatever. Because I want to see what it would look like now if I did it. Okay, see, that's what I would do now. I haven't done one of those in a long time. See, and that's why I don't do TikTok or Musical.ly anymore. Period. Well, nobody does. But, period, comma, done for. I don't know what I just did there. Anyway, thank you guys. Oh, I can't speak. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below any... I'm losing my voice. Comment down below any videos you guys would like me to do, and I'll be sure to do them. Bye. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok, follow me on all the social medias. We're going to grow together, boys and girls. Let's get it.